Hi, my name is Noor, and I'm a reporter for Pendy and Pennsauken High School newspaper. I'm here with Mr. Warwick, our carpentry teacher. Welcome, Mr. Warwick.
Thanks for having me.
Tell us about yourself and what brought you to want to become a carpentry teacher.
I'm actually a graduate of Pennsauken High School. Graduated in 1984. The entire time I was in high school, my carpentry teacher was building trades then. Kept telling me, you should become a teacher, you should become a teacher. I wasn't very interested in doing that at that time. I went to work for a while, and then I went back to school to become a teacher, and that's how it all started.
So what are your hobbies and interests?
Well, obviously I like building things. That's why I'm a carpenter. I have a newfound interest. I'm getting a little interested in older vehicles. I have two teenage boys. They both have vehicles now, and I'm learning a lot about working on them by working on them with their vehicles. So it's a neat new hobby to have.
What carpentry skills do students learn in one class?
When you come to my class, you can expect to learn how to build a house. That's our main focus. I'm trying to give the students a career, not just a job, something they can do for a lifetime and earn a good living and to be able to support themselves on that income.
Do you and your students do fun stuff or make cool things?
I hope they think it's fun. I find it very fun to build a house. They learn how to build a house, and that's basically what we do. We do some other projects from time to time if we can help out a teacher with something they need. But that's not our primary focus. I mean, we're there to have fun and learn, but we don't do a lot of different projects.
Can you tell me about the dog agility course your students are building?
We started working on a project for the Pennsauken Police K-9 unit. We're currently building all the training aids for the police dogs. From what I understand, they have 2 new police dogs that are in training, and all their equipment had pretty much deteriorated. And our class is in the process of basically finishing it up now and getting it over to them. Thank you.
So now we are in Mr. Warwick's carpentry class, and we are going to take a tour.
Come on in. How you doing? Welcome to my class. What you see happening here right now, maybe it doesn't look like a lot, but there's actually an awful lot going on. Like I had said earlier, the students are learning how to actually construct a house. We start from the foundation, or a concrete slab like this, and we come up from there. What you see here is part of the floor system that's going together. Okay? And then they're in different phases of construction throughout the shop, depending on the group's stability level or when they started. Okay? So if you went down into your basement or crawl space and looked up, you'd be looking at something that looks like this. Okay? And then over on this one, they have the actual, it's called a subfloor, down on top of it. On top of here is where your carpet would go. This is actually the floor that you stand on in the house. And in the back of the shop are a couple other ones that are also in different phases or under construction. Unfortunately, right now, you asked me about the dog agility course stuff that we were building. Right now, it's all kind of back in the corner out of the way. We're waiting for some materials to come in so we can get back to work on that. And we're making room for my Carpentry 2 level students project. They're going to be building a full-scale, not house, but like a garage or a small vacation home over here in this open section that you see. So we had moved all that out of the way actually this morning, and tomorrow they're going to be starting a floor system over in that area. So that's what you see happening right here, right there. Some of the equipment that we use. Okay. This is all right here. The backbone of the shop, along with the board power saw. Okay. This is called a power miter saw. All the material that was come through the floor, except for the plywood, is cut on this machine right here. Okay. What it's used to do. Same material that's used for the floor joisting project, okay? We use this, all we do is called a cross cut, which means you're cutting across the grain of the wood. Okay, another job that this machine can inside of the house and you're trimming out windows, you're trimming out doors, okay? This is a saw that you're going to have. Look up in the corner, maybe at home, take a look at this. Okay, where the two pieces of the molding come up the side and meet. They're usually cut on an angle, which is called a miter. Okay, and that's what the saw can also do. We can adjust this saw to cut different angles depending on what we want to do. So this machine right here is a machine that students use every day. And it's one of the first pieces of equipment they learn how to use. This machine over here we don't use much in this shop. This is called a table saw. Okay, anytime that we want to reduce the width of a board, okay, along the length of it, or the grain, this is the machine we use. We can set this up at different widths to cut the board to the width of the board. Now, along with the portable skill saw, there are three main tools that they use in here. When it comes to learning how to frame a house, there aren't a whole lot of stationary pieces of equipment or a whole lot of power tools you need to be able to use. A lot of it's hand tools. We're using hammers, tape measures, and squares. A skill that they really need to learn how to master is how to read a tape measure. It's very important. It's pretty hard to build a house without being able to read a tape measure. So we spend a lot of time making sure that everyone's able to do that. Okay? What's that? Okay, you're welcome. Thank you.